2012 Ford Ecoboost V6 twin Terpskis. Timing chain jump 4 teeth. Replace timing chain, phasers, a whole full meal deal package. And once test drive, the rattle noise, well, part of it came back. Now, everybody was saying cracked flex plate, blah blah blah. Well, there's a transmission. It's not a cracked flex plate, flywheel, whatever, however y'all are determining. See all them little pieces right there? Cylinder 3 busted the skirt off the piston. So if y'all have a noise in the motor and you've determined that it's timing chains and blah 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 blah, with the front cover off, just go ahead and save yourself some heartache. Send you a camera down through the front cover and take you a look around inside the oil pan to see if you have skirt material. There's the tip of the day.